Lorenzo here. We're outside in the fucking UK and it is... We've gone through a terrible
Oh no, it's raining. It's raining. Oh no.
Cameraman, get your feet out. I'm gonna fucking fall.
Deer! Move your fat head. Deer.
Right, now, leave my camera on and get me in. Get me in. As I was saying before, my cameraman rudely interrupted me with the shoe. There's a massive thunderstorm right now. And we're out in it. Let's get it, boys. Can we get some shots of the sky?
Look at that nasty cloud.
Huh?
Nasty cloud. Oh dear.
Clearly not allowed to, but
There's a deer.
we're off the amazing part of the UK. I'm not going to mention it because then it's back for again for part 2. Yeah, it's your boy, it's Lorenzo. We're back and we're outside. This time, if my bandana wants to cooperate. As I said in part 1, when my cameraman was like, yeah, look at my shoes. We're out in the storm. My feet are soaked, but who cares? I can get new socks. See what the sky saying, shall we? Oh, give this a lightning strike. Is it like right up? Oh. You get that? Oh, mate. Mud on my shoes now. I'm not even wearing shoes. I'm not even wearing shoes. Man's gone crazy. Hey now, man's gone crazy. I'm gonna get Mason. Is Zeus strike me down? Well, I'm not gonna say that because he actually will. And then I'll die, and then you're gonna see a live stream kill, like double kill. Whoa, we got some action going on here, mate. Love it. Give me more, but give it over there. That's it. Wow, we're going mad. Fucking party, mate. I hear someone going, woo! That cloud ain't getting lower, is it? Why does that look like it's getting lower? Don't you answer me back? I shouldn't have done that, shouldn't I? I'm gonna die. Whoa! You get that?
Holy shit. Welcome to the UK, lads.
Welcome to the UK. We had like a 2-month heat wave, didn't we? And it wouldn't dissipate, and then my cameraman had wasps up by his window.
And then was begging for rain because it's too hot, and now we've got thunderstorms, for fuck's sake. Typical UK
We've
weather.
had a thunderstorm for 2 days now. 2 running days. That's 4. That's 2. This is 4. This is 2. Unless you're stupid, that's 2.
And you got Thriller Michael Jackson.
Whoa! Whoa!
Do you not?
Sounds good, mate. Sounds good. Whoa! You get that?
1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4.
YouTube, we're back inside. I did have to come back inside with my camera, but you can see, hopefully, that it's still going. You can slightly hear it. Are you gonna do your thing? Right, the sky. There we go. So I will get back to you on what we saw. I will edit this video and upload it, but hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment your favourite part. Have a great day, and enjoy the weather while you can before the storm gets you. Have fun, love you lots, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.